Is your Windows computer using too much RAM? Even when almost nothing is open? Your PC might actually be slowing down because Windows is keeping a huge amount of memory trapped inside something called the standby cache. In this video, I'll show you how to safely clear that cached RAM using an official Microsoft tool. No risky apps, no fake optimizers, and no complicated setup. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what's happening. Windows 10 and Windows 11 automatically store temporary cache data in memory to help apps load faster later. This feature is called the standby memory cache. Normally, Windows manages this pretty well, but sometimes the cache grows too large and doesn't free itself properly. When that happens, your system can start feeling slow. Games may stutter, browsers can lag, and memory usage may stay unusually high even when you aren't doing much. To clear this safely, we're going to use an official Microsoft utility called RamMap. Open your web browser and search for RamMap Microsoft. Make sure you open the official Microsoft website download page. Once you're there, click the download button. The tool downloads as a small zip file. After the download finishes, right-click the zip folder and choose Extract All. Now open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll see a file called RamMap. Double-click it to launch the program. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes. You may also see Microsoft's license agreement appear the first time you open it. Just accept it to continue. Now, before clearing anything, let's actually check how much cached memory your system is currently using. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, then click on Memory. Here you'll see a section called Cached Memory. Sometimes this number can reach several gigabytes, especially after long gaming sessions, editing, multitasking, or leaving your PC on for many hours. Now go back to the RamMap window. At the top of the program, click on Empty. A small drop-down menu will appear. From the list, click on Empty Standby List, and within seconds, Windows will clear that trapped standby cache memory. Now check your Task Manager again. You should notice the cached memory number drop significantly, giving your active apps more available RAM to use. A lot of people notice smoother performance immediately after doing this, especially on systems with lower memory or heavy background usage. The best part is, this is an official Microsoft tool, so you're not using random third-party cleaners or risky software. You can safely run this whenever your PC starts feeling sluggish or memory usage seems unusually high. And that's it. That's how you can clear cached RAM and free up memory on your Windows computer using RamMap. If this tutorial helped speed up your PC, leave a like. And for more Windows tips, performance fixes, and hidden computer tricks, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.